Hi guys, this is Jude Laborada and this is the introduction of our report. Graphic libraries and frameworks play a pivotal role in the development of graphical applications, ranging from video games and computer-aided design, software to data visualization tools, and the virtual reality experiences. This report provides an overview of graphics libraries and frameworks, highlighting their importance, key features, and some popular options. This is the 5 reasons why graphic libraries and frameworks are important. Number 1. Efficiency. They provide pre-built function and optimization, allowing developers to create complex graphics and visual effects more efficiently. Number 2. Cross-platform compatibility. Many libraries and frameworks offer cross-platform support, enabling developers to target multiple operating systems and devices with a single code base. Number 3. Performance. Optimized rendering engines and hardware acceleration help achieve high-performance graphics, crucial for real applications like games and simulations. Number 4. Community and ecosystem. Active developer communities and extensive ecosystem provide access to resources, documentation, and plugins extensions. Number 5. Scalability. Graphic libraries and frameworks often scale seamlessly to handle various resolutions, screen sizes, and devices, ensuring a consistent user experience. We have 7 key features of graphics libraries and frameworks. Number 1. Rendering engines. These libraries provide rendering engines that enable the creation of 2D and 3D graphics, managing rendering pipelines, shaders, and lighting effects. Number 2. Cross-platform support. Many frameworks such as OpenGL, Vulkan, and DirectX support multiple platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Number 3. Resource management. Graphics libraries offer tools for efficient resources management, including texture, loading, memory management, and mesh handling. Number 4. Input handling. They often include input handling for keyboard, mouse, touch, and gamepad devices, simplifying user interaction. Number 5. Physics integration. Some frameworks like Unity and Unreal Engine integrate physics engine for realistic object interaction and simulations. Number 6. Scripting and programming language. Frameworks like Unity and Godot support scripting language C#, JavaScript for game logic and behavior scripting. 7. Asset importing. Asset importing tools allow developers to import models, texture, and animations into a development environment.
Hi guys, I'm Lorence ilagan. I discuss about popular graphics libraries and frameworks. Popular graphics libraries and frameworks. Here are some the most popular graphics libraries and frameworks used in various application domains. Number 1. OpenGL, an open source cross-platform graphics library used for 2D and 3D graphics rendering. Number 2. Vulkan, a low-level, high-performance graphics API design for modern GPUs, known for its efficiency and control. Number 3. DirectX, Microsoft suite of APIs for multimedia and gaming, primarily used Windows Forms. Number 4. Unity, a widely used gaming engine and development platform that supports both 2D and 3D game development. Number 5. Unreal Engine, a powerful game engine known for its high-quality graphics, often used for AAA gaming development and architectural visualization. Number 6. Simple and Fast Multimedia Library, a CC+ framework for multimedia and game development, offering a range of features for 2D graphics, audio, and networking. Number 7. Coco 2DX, an open source game development framework that specializes in 2D games for mobile and desktop platforms. Number 8. Qt, a comprehensive framework for building cross-platform applications with a focus on user interface, including graphical elements. Number 9. Trees, a JavaScript library for 3D graphics and visualization, often used for web-based application and data visualization. Number 10. OpenCV, an open source computer vision library that supports image and video processing, often used in applications like robotics and augmented reality. And now guys, I discuss the conclusion of graphics libraries and frameworks. The conclusion of graphics libraries and frameworks are fundamental tools in the development of visually rich application. They offer efficiency cross-platform compatibility and performance optimization, making them indispensable for various industries. The choice of library or framework depends on the specific requirements and goals of project, and developers should carefully evaluate their option to select the most suitable solution. The constantly evolving landscape of graphics technology ensures that new libraries and frameworks will continue to emerge, providing exciting possibilities for future development. Certainly, here's some hands-on exercises using a popular graphics library. Simple and fast multimedia library. In the context of 2D graphics programming, SFML is beginner-friendly library that allows you to create 2D games, interactive applications, and simulations. You'll need a C++ development environment setup with SFML to complete this exercise. Thank you guys.
My name is Brian Fadero. My topic is hands-on exercise using graphic libraries. Here are some hands-on exercise using a popular graphics library. Simple and fast multimedia library or SFML. In the context of 2D graphics programming, SFML is a beginner-friendly library that allows you to create 2D games, interactive application, and simulation. You need a C++ development environment set up with SFML to complete this exercise. Exercise number 1. Setting up an SFML window. Objective. Set up a basic SFML environment and create a window. Number 1. Install SFML and set up your C++ development environment. Number 2. Create a simple SFML program that opens a window. Number 3. Customize the window's title, size, and close behavior. And number 4. Display the window and keep it open. Number 2. Exercise number 2. Drawing basic shape and text. Objective. Learn how to draw basic shapes and text using SFML. Number 1. Initialize an SFML window. Number 2. Draw simple 2D shapes such as rectangle, circle, and polygons. Number 3. Display text on the window with different font, size, and color. And number 4, position and scale the draw elements. Exercise number 3, handling user input. Objective: capture and respond to user input events in your SFML application. Number 1, implement event handling to capture keyboard and mouse event, key presses, mouse clicks. Yan. And number 2, change the position, color, or size of drawing object in response to user input. And number 3, create interactive elements, example button, that respond to mouse click. Yan. Exercise number 4, animation and sprites. Objective: create simple animation using sprites and texture SFML. Number 1, load sprite image texture into your application. And number 2, create sprite object and display them on the window. Number 3, animate the sprites by changing their position or texture over time. Number 4, elements sprite collision detection for basic interaction. Exercise number 5, sounds and music. Objective: add audio elements to your SFL application. Number 1, load and play background music in your application. And number 2, add sounds effect triggered by user input or events. Number 3, implement volume control for audio elements. And number 4, create a mute and or unmute functionality. Exercise number 6, basic and game mechanics. Objective: develop a simple 2D game using SFML. Number 1, design a basic game concept. Example, a platformer, space shooter. Yan. Number 2, create player, character, and enemy sprites. Number 3, implement player control for movement and shooting. Number 4, add collision detection between the player and enemies. Number 5, keep track of the game's score or player health. Exercise number 7, GUI elements. Objective: build a graphical user interface or GUI for your SFML application. Number 1, add buttons, slider, or text input fields to your window. Number 2, implement event handling for GUI elements. And number 3, use GUI elements to control various aspects of your application. Example, settings option. Exercise number 8, particle system. Objective: create dynamic visual effects using particle system in SFML. Number 1, implement a simple particle system that generates and animates particles. Number 2, customize particles appear, sample color, size, and behavior, sample gravity velocity. And number 3, create effect like fire, rain, or explosion using particle system. This exercise will help you get hands-on experience with SFML and 2D graphics programming. As you become more comfortable with the library, you can explore more advanced topics like scene management, physics simulation, and advanced rendering techniques to create more complex and engaging application or games.